I think women cannot lead the class. And why is that? What? Because they are fragile, they are weak, they are emotional, and they cannot make a decision by their own. And I think men should be the one who leads the class.
Yes, women might not be physically dominant as men, but physicality is not the only quality here in our society. We also have being cerebral, being emotionally intelligent, and being honest. And nowadays, women can do what men can do. So I think women can lead.
Yes, Miss L'Oreal, do you have something to say?
Yes, ma'am. I agree with what Mr. Kristen said. You should not just base on the gender of someone when choosing a leader or president. In fact, women nowadays are capable of doing something that men can do. So also we already had presidents that are women, like Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo, and it's already 2024. We should be breaking the barriers against gender discrimination.
I am a woman and I can do what men can do.